Here are a couple of places that you can utilize to find opportunities within the DeFi space. So, for the most part, any chain you can access relevant data for. Dune.com has a lot of analytics and graphics. Obviously, Flare uses them, but a lot of other chain analytics are available on Dune as well. DeFi Llama, if you ever want to see like the TVL or activity of a chain, that's always a good resource or tool to have. There's DEX analytics on DeFi Llama, and there's even a correlations matrix that you can utilize on DeFi Llama to kind of see how correlated a pair is, which can help determine whether you enter that pool or not.
All of DeFi, there are certain metrics that you need to make sure that are there. And that is part of what makes DeFi safer or riskier. Like if you were to enter a liquidity pool with a very low total value locked, that would mean that there's more risk. By using these tools, we will cover them more in depth in further videos, but just by using these tools, you can have an overview of what is a good opportunity and what is not. Like if a pool has total value locked and then it also has a lot of volume going on, like trading between each other, that is probably a better pool than something that has only $5,000 and nobody's trading on. So this is a very important thing. The DEX analytics, you can see it in DeFi Llama, but also each DEX will have an analytics page where you can see how each pool is trading, how many fees they're giving, etc. So learning how to understand these things are very important for you to be a successful DeFi investor.